Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Tutorial with Jouriez, and welcome to my classroom. So for today's video, our topic is about trigonometry. So if our subject is trigonometry, it's all about triangles. And our task for today is to solve the unknown angle and the unknown sides of a right triangle. Okay, so how do we know again if our triangle is a right triangle? Isn't it that in my previous video I've told you that a right triangle is a triangle with a 90 degrees angle, which is signified by this sign, the box sign. So if you see this means that this is equal to 90 degrees. And we know that one triangle has a total degree of 180 degrees. So total is 180 degrees. So what are we going to do to find the unknown angle R, which is this one? Because it is given that angle Q is equal to 90 degrees and angle P is equal to 38 degrees. So what we're going to do is we just minus 90 degrees with a given angle 38 degrees, so that our total of the triangle will be 180. So angle R is equal to 90 degrees minus 38 degrees, which is equal to 52 degrees. Okay, so that if we're going to plus together our angles, 90 plus 38 plus 52, we have a total of 180 degrees. Okay, so how about when we solve for the unknown side of a triangle? So in this triangle, only one side is given. QP is equal to 6 centimeter. And how do we find for side RQ? We are looking for this side RQ. So in solving the unknown side, in which we are given one angle and one side, we use the trigonometric ratio. What are these trigonometric ratio? We are going to use a clue, the SO, ka, toa. So, ka, toa. We're in so. So means sin or sine is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. While ka refers to cos or cosine is equal to A refers to adjacent side divided by your hypotenuse. Okay. How about if it is toa? Toa refers to tangent is equal to your opposite divided by the adjacent side. Now, which of these are our opposite, our adjacent, and the hypotenuse? So, from this triangle, look at your 90 degrees. The side opposite your 90 degrees will always be your hypotenuse. And look at your given angle. The side opposite it will always be your opposite side. So this one, RQ, is your opposite side. And the side which is beside your given angle which is not the 90 degrees, will be your adjacent side. Okay, so meaning QP or PQ is your adjacent side. Okay, so first, let us solve where is our RQ. So our RQ is the opposite, and we should use the given side, which is adjacent side. So we need the opposite and adjacent. So in that case, we are going to use the TOA, because TOA is equal to your opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So we are going to use the tan ratio. So tan is equal to opposite first. So your opposite side is the unknown side, which is RQ. And adjacent is the QP. Okay, so tan of your given angle, what is our given angle? Tan 38 degrees is equal to RQ divided by QP. Okay, now since RQ over QP is fraction, we make tan 38 become a fraction to be tan 38 over 1. And we cross multiply. Okay? And we are going to write on the left the one with the unknown, which is RQ. So we put 1 times RQ on the left side first, which is equal to RQ. Just put it as RQ. And then you multiply tan 38 times QP is equal to 6 centimeter. So on your calculator, just press tan 38 times 6 centimeter. And your answer, if up to 2 significant figures, should be 4.7 centimeter. Okay, so that's it for RQ. Now, how about RP? So this time, we are looking for the hypotenuse. Okay, so we're looking for the hypotenuse, and we are going to use the adjacent side, which means that we don't need the opposite. Okay, so adjacent and hypotenuse uses the trigonometric ratio Ka or cosine. Okay, so cosine 38 is equal to adjacent first. Letter A, adjacent. So the adjacent side is 6 divided by the hypotenuse, which will be the unknown. We write it as RP. And again, we cross multiply. So we make cos 38 as a fraction becomes cos 38 over 1. So we cross multiply. We are going to write first cos 38 times RP, because RP is your unknown side. So we are going to write it on the left side of the equation. Cos 38 times RP is equal to 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, then we leave here RP. We leave alone RP. We transfer cos 38 on the other side of the equation. And when we move cos 38 at the other side, we will do the opposite of times, which is divide. Because cos 38 times RP equals 6. We need to do the opposite of times, which is divide. So RP is equal to 6 divided by cos 38. So on your calculator, you just press 6 divided by cos 38 equals. And when you give your answer up to 2 significant figures, it should be 7.6 centimeters. So we now have completed the angles and sides of the given triangle PQR. So I hope that you learned something for my video today. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope that everyone will have a very nice day. Bye and God bless.